everybody, my name is Stephen Boyd Perkins. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because this video has been damn near impossible for me to finish for many reasons beyond my control. You want to take pictures that look like this? Or pictures that look like this? Or how about that? If you think those look good, I have an incredibly simple mod, and I cannot believe that I never knew what it was. I shared it in my Facebook group called Frugal Photography, and I was shocked how many people had never heard of it before. This is the easiest lens mod in the world. All it is this. You take a piece of paper, you cut it in a circle, you cut another circle in that circle, making a hole in the circle. I put mine inside of the old filter ring that was broken, mount it onto my lens. Done. Swirly blur. Free Helios lenses for all. Swirly Bokeh for everybody. The Helios swirl, all you gotta do is put a circle on it. And that's it. Like that. Please like and subscribe. More stuff coming. Ring that bell or whatever that is. I'm kind of new to this. So like, subscribe, ring the bell. Is there anything else? Comment, please comment. Yeah, comments are good, I think that helps me out.